Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.
When you're working with a multi-page document, sometimes you may want to have more control over exactly how the text flows, and breaks can be very helpful in those cases. This document is a corporate sales report, and toward the end is a revenue summary. Right now it's getting cut off between pages 3 and 4, and I'd really prefer to have it all on the same page. I could just press enter until the summary reaches the top of page 4, but if I wanted to add or delete something in another part of the document, that would cause this part to shift, and I'd have to readjust it. I'd really rather not have to worry about that. So instead, I'm going to insert a page break. To create a page break, place the insertion point before the text you want to move, then go to the Insert tab, and click the Page Break command. The summary has now been bumped to the next page, and it will stay at the top of the page even if I change something else in the document. You'll find even more options on the Page Layout tab under Breaks. Here you can insert a page break or another type of break depending on what you need. A column break controls the flow of text in a column, while the text wrapping break can help you manage text that's wrapped around an object. Then there are section breaks, which can be used to format different parts of your document independently. Section breaks create a kind of barrier in your document, rather than a page break. They let you decide where certain types of formatting begin and end, including columns, page numbering styles, page orientation, and more. In this example, I'd like to separate this paragraph from the two columns you see here. So I'm going to place the insertion point in front of the paragraph, and then click Breaks. Next page is a type of section break that will move the section to a completely different page, which isn't what we want. Instead, we'll choose Continuous, so it stays on the same page as the columns. Now the text can be formatted separately. If we select our paragraph, then remove the two-column formatting, you can see the change immediately. Finally, I'd like to show you how to delete breaks from your document. This can be a little bit tricky because breaks are invisible. To make them easier to find, go to the Home tab and click the Show Hide command. Now we can see page breaks, paragraphs, and other formatting symbols that are normally hidden. To delete a break, place the cursor to the left of the break or select it. Then press Delete on your keyboard and the break will disappear. There are a lot of situations where breaks might come in handy. Now that you know how to use them, you can set up your document exactly the way you want.